Hello, GCC students. My name is Meg Rademacher, and I will be your instructor for your HES 100 course, Healthful Living. This is an 8-week course, so the pace of this course is pretty quick. In order to make sure you're successful in this course, I just want to break down a few things to kind of help get you started. So first things first, over here in the inbox, that's the best way to get a hold of me. Shoot me a message in the inbox. I usually reply. Technically, the syllabus says between 24 and 48 hours. I am generally much faster than that. I usually am online throughout the day at periodic times, so please feel free to send me a message. If you do not hear back from me within 24 hours, send me the message again, just assuming that I either didn't get it or I thought I responded and maybe hadn't. So inbox, best way to get a hold of me. Next thing is, since this is an 8-week course, the pace of this class is pretty quick. Therefore, you're going to have between 2 and 3 modules to be working on each week. I do not accept late assignments in this course. I think because of the fast-paced nature of this course, it's really important that you stay on task. And if you miss something, just move forward and begin working on something that's coming up that'll be due in the next few days. Okay. Modules are very important. That's how you're going to kind of get around in this course. So if you click on the modules button, you'll see the orientation module. That's what you're going to be working on for the first part of this week. I want to make sure that you are comfortable with a few things since this is an online course. So sending me a message through Canvas, that'll be one of your first assignments. You have an orientation quiz, which is all about the syllabus and making sure that you have read the syllabus and are comfortable with that. There are several ways for you to be able to get to the syllabus. There's a link right here. This is course syllabus, and you can always click up over here as well. So let's just talk about this course syllabus just briefly. If you click here, it will download the PDF version for you. This course, as I said, is 8 weeks. So very, very quick. We technically start on Monday, October 17th and end on December 9th. All of your work will need to be turned in by December 9th at 11:59 p.m. I run this course as a Monday through Sunday course, meaning all modules will open on Monday morning and you'll have until Sunday at 11:59 to complete the tasks. As I said, this course is very fast-paced, so you have assignments due usually Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays of that week. Okay, so just be mindful of your due dates. Core competencies, course description are there. You do not need a textbook for this course. All material is provided online for you, and I will show you how to get to that. And then in a few minutes, I guess, coming up in the video. Next is your attendance requirements. Please note that this is an online course, so I do need you to be active and participating each week. If you're not active usually within 10 days, I will withdraw you from the course. I will have communication with you and send you messages. Within the 14 days is the guidelines for GCC. Generally, I try to work with you a little bit quicker to make sure that the course is meeting your expectations and that you can be successful in the course. Okay, so being active in the course includes turning in assignments, doing quizzes, things like that. Just merely checking into Canvas and logging onto Canvas does not count as being active in the course. We will use a standard grading scale, and I'll let you look over the rest of that information. Again, if you have any questions about the syllabus or any questions about the course in general, just reach out to me via the inbox Canvas message over here. So your modules will have an introduction. Every module has that. It tells you what we're going to be working on, what you need to focus on, and then you will have reading material as well. The reading material is all a Google Doc, and it's all based on online. So you will have access to this. You do not need to buy a textbook. Your reading material varies in length. The first, let me see how many pages this is, 11 pages is the first week's reading. Some weeks you have 5 pages, some weeks you have 12. It's somewhere in there. But each module has its own reading material. So for example, when you go down, and I believe like week 2, for example, we have 2 modules. We're going to be focusing on sleep and physical activity and fitness. You have quizzes that are due on Wednesdays of each of those weeks. So what I really recommend in order for you to be successful in this 8-week course is to get the reading done first thing. Do the reading for all the modules and take the quizzes for all the modules first, because that'll be due on Wednesdays. And then you will be able to continue to work on each module's assignments that kind of encourage the core competencies. Okay. Those are the basics about the course. Again, I will post several announcements throughout the week reminding you of things. I will also post things that are relevant that are happening on campus or online that I think that you could benefit from. The last thing I want to point out is you do have the option for some extra credit in this course. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will notice that there is an extra credit module. You can complete any of these 3 or all 3 of them if you'd like, and each one is worth up to 5 points. Periodically throughout the semester, I may offer some other additional extra credit, but if you miss an assignment or you don't do great on a quiz, just scroll down and do one of these extra credit assignments. They're usually pretty quick, and get yourself that extra 5 points to bump that grade back up. Okay. So again, if you have any questions or anything, just shoot me a message over in the inbox. Make sure you complete this orientation module first. Once the orientation module is complete, then you will have access to the week 1 module. Okay. I look forward to working with all of you, and cheers to a happy, healthy semester.